Let's get drunk.
Hello, today I will show you how you can get unlimited heal, sprint, inventory, bypass. Let's test it out. So first you have to download it. I can save it again, but then I have it 2 times in my download folder. You see 1 and normal. I will remove this. I have scanned it with antivirus virus total. There's no of the 55, so it's safe. But always scan it with your own virus scanner, of course. Save. Okay. So you start No Man's Sky not in full screen, because if you alt tab, you will crash or you cannot restart the game. So if you have Cheat Engine installed, you double click it, you press yes. Okay, so now you have Cheat Engine open. Here are all the cheats with ignore this, laser color. I have not tested it out yet, so let's do it. So first you press the little computer, you search for No Man's Sky nms.exe, open. Keep the current, yes. Okay, so now it's open. Now you can choose unlimited heal, unlimited sprint, inventory, unlimited selling, bypass, ignore crafting, unlimited jetpack, unlimited ammo, grenades, no overheat, laser beam, life support. I don't know what that is, so I will just not open it. One hit kill, mouse over item pointer. Oh, this is if you get an item you can double it. We will do this later. Object pointer. I have no idea. Damage taken. Let's see this one. Slot pointer. Can open inventory. I have no idea how this works yet. And the laser color. Let's see. Let's first see what my laser color is now. So let's first test out the jetpack. Normal on the right corner you see the let's just follow, see if it works. No breath. I'm still alive. Okay, so that's one. Let's see what the okay, so it's not overheating, it's not oh wow, it's instant. Oh damn! Wow, it's not, you don't have to wait to farm anymore. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so this is working.
No free slots in suit inventory.
But I don't know how to test it. Is it on? Let's alt top. Cheat engine. I got the ammo, jetpack, unlimited inventory is on. So I don't know how this works then. But I don't know. Let's test the laser. Alt tab. Laser color. Let's say we want a red laser. Oh, we press the base. I don't know. I cannot use no to 0. I have no idea. Let's see if I can change the record. Oh. Change record value. Let's see. 0 to 1. I think this ain't working, because I cannot turn them on or anything. Maybe if I do this alt tab. Okay, so you have to shoot before you can. Okay. It didn't go red, so let's turn on the green one. Strange.
No free slots in suit inventory.
I don't know why. Maybe it's something. But let's this ain't working. So turn this off. mouse inf. Okay, so item pointer. Let's see the quantity. Okay.
Free slots in suit inventory.
And here you see plutonium, 143 of the 250. We'll open it, and you can see it here. So I will alt tab, I will base, quantity and max. You see 143, it say automatically, and 250. Change the 250 to 900, ok. And the quantity to 900, this is how much you have. Oh, don't forget to press on. And now it's full. And you can just go over all of these, and then it will refill. So if you see the sink on the right side, it's not completely full, and now it's full. Oh, this is awesome. I hope you have anything about this tutorial with the cheat stuff. Let's close this. One hit kills. Oh, we need to test this. A limited life per laser beam, no overheat grenades. Ammo, crafting. Let's see if we can craft something.
No free slots in ship inventory.
So I don't think the inventory works. Okay, let's see. I have 0, 0, 0. This is not correct.
Product constructed.
But I can make it. Let's see if I just destroy this.
Product constructed.
Oh, press the same button again.
Product constructed. Product
This
constructed.
works, but not the limited inventory. I don't know how I can get this to work.
Technology recharge.
But this is a limited
No free slots in suit inventory. No free slots in suit inventory.
not enough to
No free slots in suit inventory. No free slots in suit inventory. No free slots in suit inventory. No free slots in suit inventory.
I will show it in the description where you can download it. I will give credits to Zanzer. Enjoy, and maybe till the next video. Bye guys.